Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2022 and beyond ACURA MDX with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine towers, set of 4, and the JetStream load bars, set of 2, available in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine clip sets. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar, which allows for attachment of certain carriers for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is an additional track that is where the tower is attached, and alongside that track are numbers that are referenced in the instruction sheet to make sure that the tower is positioned correctly on the load bar. Okay, next is the tower itself, and the tower is designed with several different adjustments to get a custom fit on the vehicle. So let's take a look at some of those adjustments. First, we'll remove the cover by squeezing the 3 dots on either side and pivoting downward. And next, on the inside, let's take a look at what's underneath this cover here. So on the underside, we have a fastener there, which is holding the tower to the bar. So the other function is to allow adjustment of the pitch of the load bar so that you can change the angle of the load bar. There is a second adjustment on the underside as well, and that is for the toe of the base pad and clip set assembly. So it allows for adjustment so that it matches the contours of the roof line. Now on the inside of the tower, there are 2 more adjustments. This adjustment will bring the clip against the door frame, and underneath this hatch is another fastener which will pull the clip inward against the door frame. So the combination of all those adjustments will provide the maximum optimized fit of this roof rack system to the vehicle. Now the clip sets, this is an example of the clip set. This is a steel clip with a powder coat finish, and it has a rubber pad on the inside to provide grip and protection to the door frame. And then you have the rubber base here, which also has a contoured shape to match the roof line. Overall, this provides a very accurate fit to the vehicle and protective, secure fit. So let's go ahead and put the cover back on. And with that cover on, you can see here we have a plastic plug. That plug can be replaced with one of Yakima's SKS lock cores. These cores are sold in matched sets so that you can have all 4 of your towers key matched. That can be expanded to not only your base roof rack, but also to any of Yakima's same key system compatible carriers and accessories to provide the convenience of 1 key security. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all of your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.